Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have Dr. Nuriti with us. She's a professor for more than a decade and she holds very vast experience in Indian knowledge system. So let's ask her about the new education policy from the government of India. How is it more beneficial for the today's generation of kids? So, what's your opinions, Ms. Nuriti?
Yeah, thank you, Ram. Uh, Being a teacher, I really welcome new education policy, which is initiated by the present government. So, first and foremost change in this education policy is the introduction of the 4-year degree program in undergraduate courses like BA, BCom, BBA. Earlier, it was given only to the engineering courses only. So now it's a 4 year. So many practical aspects of the education is being introduced in this policy. So students will be given project-based learning, practical teaching, practical learning. So it's like that. And one and foremost other thing is that introduction of the Indian knowledge system in the undergraduate courses, all the courses, and it's a compulsory subject for the students to be studied in the college itself.
Wow, that's kind of quite impressive. So, do you still think like the ancient Indian Vedic knowledge system and all those things that are still relevant in the modern era where we have all this technology and like all this modern education things? So, is it still relevant, or how is it connecting like the past and the future, the bridge between this Vedic thing? How it could be more beneficial, like your opinion, your insights.
See, technology is not the hindrance, and it doesn't mean that if we have developed technologically, so it doesn't mean Indian knowledge system is obsolete. When Indian knowledge system was prevailed in the society in the ancient time, that time even we had very good technological background.
Yeah,
We had so much development in the field of science, so many things which we see today that was present in the ancient time as well. So another thing, we see the diminishing value of the value system in the society. Students, even parents, don't know how to educate their children, how what kind of parenting they must inculcate in in the children, and how can they be the good citizen of the country. So I think ancient wisdom, Indian knowledge system will help them well. So in Indian education system, student and teacher relationship was very strong. So nowadays, which is not there, even students or children don't have relationship with their parents as well. So I think there is another or more changes are required to introduce in the modern education system. So more and more exposure or more and more interaction or more and more proximity with the teacher must be given to the students, and studying at the undergraduate level Vedas, Upanishad. So that's a very spiritual, a very high level learning. So before that, we can give them like study of Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, and other so many things whichever they are means through the medium, through the stories and all. So kids can be taught some value system, and it's still relevant.
Yeah, yeah. Of course, it is like the ancient Indian knowledge combined with today's generational knowledge system and education. It could create lasting impacts, and it could like the kids are the future of the India, and it's really necessary whatever the government is doing. So it's really interesting. So thank you, Mr. Nivriti, for your insights on this subject. We really appreciate your time and have a great day.
Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste.
ये तो